Emerging skills in biomaterial and biomedical sciences के मतंग द national conference अमदी MU की DM College of Science दा होकरे. Science and technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning अमदी data sciences की लमदा यामना चाउना अहोंगबा अमा लाकलिबा असिगा इरोइनना skill कया हाइबा अमदी adapt तौबगी मथौ यामना तारकले हाइना DM University की Vice Chancellor Professor होकरे. National conference असी धनमंजुरी Community College DDU Kaushal Kendra Amadi DM College of Science Dhanamanjuri University Manipur na punna khutsamnaduna translating advances in basic sciences and humanities haibathim da pangthokpani. Conference hawdokpagi thawramadda DM College of Science ke Principal Professor KSH Birbal Bavina Healthcare ki CMD Dr. TH Dabali JR Groups ke Managing Director Dr. Rakib Yumkhaibam Yauna Manipur amadi mapandagi lakpa Professor Research Scholar Oza amadi mahiroi kayana saruk yake. Thauramadu Vishi Chan Babuna DM University yauna tongan institute singna engineer, biologist, data science expert, scientist Singapurna biomedical amadi biomaterial science advancement gilamda thabak tauminaduna medical treatment amadi diagnosis ta midyang thambagi matam oire. Conference asina stat asida laidiba tongan institute singi mahiroi singda expert singi khuthangda anauba idea ama fangduna kana bapiba ngamlashanu haina fongdoki. Thauramadu Mari Lainana Bavina Healthcare ki CMD Dr. Dabalina Mamang Chahi Singa Yang Naba Matamda Information Technology, Computer Science, Telecommunication, Healthcare Delivery System Amadi Diagnosis Tayamna Chauna Ahongba Amalakle. Lakliba Ahong Basing Siga Chatminana Basem Sabagi Matam Oire Haike. Conference asi the India ki tongan ba maming Lairba Institute singi expert speaker, research scholar singna tongan ba topic sing da wangangani. Loina na lamdam masigi mahiroi singa mapan gi expert singa interact tauba wakalon tathok tasin tauminabagi khudong chaba pigadauri.
Why should we talk today all about adaptability and the problem solving? This is a kind of skill which is really demanded on today's time. And here we are talking about the rapidly changing technologies. Okay, that we have seen. AI has come, machine learning has come, then big data science it has come, sustainability and its related practices are emerging. The natural biomaterials we are talking about today. All these things are necessary to connect and bring together, and we need to make ourselves adaptable in all these recently upcoming and changing paradigms in this field of knowledge.
Everyone is talking about AI. Not only talking about your handling now, just open your mobile, AI is already working with you. You ask anything, any question to the AI, answers are there. You don't need to search, opening a lot of pages to find out references in textbook, in journals. You don't need. You just ask the AI and the AI will give you within minutes. It's happening in all fronts, not only in communication, not only in information technology, but it's also happening in